My Christmas series part 10, I believe. This is going to be for my mom. She snores pretty badly. Obviously I can't give a review on these until after she uses them, and I really want to save them for Christmas. But it's the hostage mouth tape to help with snoring, and obviously this is the women's one, so it comes in pink, and then there is a black one for guys. But this little package is a 30-day supply, so I'm interested to see if this will work well for her or not. I'll have to give a review again after Christmas, but I do want to go ahead and show you guys. If you know someone that snores, there's black and then there's pink, and I've seen pretty good reviews on them, so we'll see.